Welcome back to iCanMod, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new series. What is it? Alright, so when we start a new series, I like to do a little bit of an intro. So this is nothing out of the norm here. We are starting a new series called What Is It? Obviously, this series is designed to. It's gonna take a while for us to film the whole series, but essentially, we want to give you more information about the components that you're buying, what they do, why they're important, and how they sort of work in that computer or PC ecosystem. Once we've covered off sort of the whole sort of PC ecosystem, we will go hopefully into other areas. So talking about the internet itself, how that works, so you can get a bit of an understanding of what you're actually using and why things go wrong, why there is issues. But I think having a greater understanding of especially each component of a computer gives you more power when you're looking into building your own computer, maintaining your own computer, because you can understand what it is, how it works, etc. So we are going to start, as I said, with using or doing a series about each individual component of the computer. We'll probably start with something like the CPU, because that is the brain of the computer. Then talk about your RAM sticks, how does RAM work, your motherboard, what does it do, and how does it do it, and what to look out for when you're purchasing a motherboard. So a lot of these videos, they may be a bit longer than sort of, I wanted them to be 5-10 minutes, but I think ultimately they're probably going to be more like 10 to 15 minutes, because obviously we're still building out the scripts for those, but we are adding a section now that sort of relates to important information you need to know when you're purchasing components for your system. And during that phase or that series, I will be doing a video on how to budget, for your computer as well. So it won't be initially a part of that series, but there will be a video on how to budget for your PC and how to go about getting your components, where to look and what to buy and where to buy them. But yeah, so this is just a sort of a quick intro video about what the series is going to be about. So I really hope you enjoy this series. If there's anything in particular you want to see straight away, please put comments in the comment section of this video, and then we will endeavour to prioritize what people want to see. We have a list of about 25 scripts for this series, so it's a big series. So we're writing them as we speak, and they should be ready to go in the next few weeks, if not next week. We might start filming, so I can get some more videos in before I move. So hope you enjoy the series. Like I said, comment what you want to see first, if there's anything in particular. Other than that, we hope this gives you the empowerment and the knowledge to give you a better understanding of how your computer works, how each component interacts with each other, and also what you need to do in order to purchase and build a great PC for yourself and your needs. But as we say here at iCanMod, keep building and keep learning.